line parallel to the coordinate axis. Line parallel to the coordinate axis. If a line parallel to the y-axis, its distance from x-axis is the same and it is represented as y equal to c. If a line is parallel to the y-axis, its distance from y-axis is the same and it is represented as x equal to k, some constant. C and k are constants. For example, they given example 3.43, draw the graph of x equal to 5. So x equal to 5, so therefore they given x equal to 5, this is in the form of x equal to k. So therefore this line parallel to y-axis. Okay, let's see how to draw the graph for x equal to c. So x values, we take y values in all sums -2 to +2, you can take it. Here they given some different values. If x value is 5, y value is -2. In -2 also x value 5, y value -1, x value 5. So we keep constant value for x. So you can see that all the values are 5. If y values differ but x values will not differ, so this is called parallel to the coordinate axis format. Let's see how to draw the graph. So in this graph, the given if x value, we assume that x value 5, so straightly you draw the line. Okay, so first, before that, the basic or x-axis is a x-axis and y-axis, x values, y values. So here I take scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on the y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is a scale. In x-axis, y-axis we take only 1 unit. Okay, so this difference 1 centimeter, so this 1 centimeter we consider as 1 unit. So here also 1 unit. Okay, so here the given graph for x equal to c. X equal to c is nothing but we draw a straight line in x point 5. So straightly draw the line. This line is considered as x equal to 5. In y, distance from the line is 5 centimeter. Y axis distance is 5 units. Draw the graph of x equal to 5. Draw the graph of x equal to 5. So I take x value and y value. So x value always 5. So if you give any value to y value, all x values are 5 only. Okay, let's see. It's your wish to take y values. Okay, otherwise you want to take -2, -1, 0, 1, +2. Okay, so you take x values 5, 5, 5, 5, y values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Continuously I'm taking. Okay, so this is a graph. So in this graph they given first a scale. You should write scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. In every 1 centimeter we take only 1 units. Similarly y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. Okay, next draw the x-axis, y-axis. I mark the centimeters 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can write. So next we take x value 5, y value minus 2, okay, and x value minus 1, y value 5. Next x value 0, sorry, x value 5, y value 0, x value 5, y value 1, x value 5, y value 2, x value 5, y value 3. Repeat. In all x equal to 5 line. So how to identify and draw the x equal to y means you take x value 5, where is in that line, here only. So in that line parallel to y axis, this is y axis, parallel to y axis we draw the line. So this line is called y equal to, sorry, x equal to 5. This line, we draw a line to x equal to 5 point. This line is called x equal to 5, okay. Next, scale in graph. There will be situation in drawing graph where y is big multiple of x and usual graph units may not enough to locate the y coordinates, and vice versa. In the situations we use the concept of scale both. So example, suppose here x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, 5 10 15. Multiple of 5 la x-axis la irundhuchana we take 5 units, and y is in multiple of 2, so we take 2 units, okay. Similarly here multiple of 10 10 units, multiple of 50 50 units. So based on the sum we can take the scale values, okay. Next, linear graph. So in linear graph we know that linear equations y equal to some mx plus c. So m value, c value, numbers will come. X is a, m is a slope and c is a y intercept point. So let's see graph of linear function in two variables. Graph of linear function in two variables, okay. So let's see, draw the graph y equal to 5x. Draw the graph y equal to 5x, okay. So I already told you here they given different value, but you can take x value minus 2 1 minus 1 0 1 2. Repeat, you can take x value minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Then y value becomes, y is 5 into x, okay. If x value is minus 2, then y is 5 into minus 2, okay. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 0 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So this is a table. So based on this table we can draw the graph, okay. I repeat, they given y equal to 5x. So x value I take minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Y value, if I give x equal to minus 2, then it becomes minus 10, minus 1 minus 5. X value 0, y value 0. X value 1, 5 ones are 5. X value 2, then y is 10. So we plot the points minus 2 comma 10, minus 1 comma 5, 0 comma 0 1 comma 5 2 comma 10, okay. Let's see. So x value there is no problem, it's enough to take only 1 units, but in y value the values are in multiple of 5, so we take 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's why in this scale we assume that x-axis is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y-axis is 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay, so next step going to see how to draw the graph. So x-axis, first x-axis, then y-axis, mark the points. So by the given values we take x value minus 2, x value minus 2, y value minus 10. So here, okay, so here, so therefore this point is minus 2 comma 10. Next minus 1 comma minus 5, here minus 1 comma minus 5, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 10. Using scale join that 4 points. This line is called y equal to 5x. Okay, I repeat, first we draw that x-axis, y-axis and measurement. Next we assume that our scale. After that we plotting the points with using the table. Okay, but in our table minus 2 x-axis, minus 10 y-axis, meeting point here minus 2 comma minus 10. Next minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so this point is minus 1 minus 5. Next is 0 comma 0, next 1 comma 5, 2 comma 10. The 4 point is enough, 5 point actually, 5 point is enough to draw a straight line. So we write the equation of the line is y equal to 5x. Okay students.